Good morning, everybody. Today is going to be a great day. I'm headed up to East Coweta High School to meet my colleague and friend Chris Bowling, and he's going to teach us a little bit about the properties of water today. My name is Dr. Miller, and I'm here with my friend and colleague, Mr. Bowling, and he's going to teach you guys today about the properties of water. Okay, Mr. Bowling, so what are some things that you would like everyone to remember regarding water?
So, Dr. Miller, some things you gotta remember about water. Everybody needs it to survive. It's a polar molecule made of 3 different atoms, and 3 great properties are gonna be surface tension, adhesion, and cohesion. Thank you very much, Dr. Miller. Hi everyone, how are you? I'm Mr. Bowling. Today we're gonna talk a little bit about water. Remember, water is one of those essential things that all of us need here on Earth. And let's talk a little bit about the structure. So remember, water looks like a little Mickey Mouse, where you have 1 large molecule of oxygen with 2 smaller molecules of hydrogen. One good way to remember it. We talked about it earlier that water is polar and it has a couple of properties. Today we're going to talk first about adhesion and cohesion. Anybody know what those things are? Good job! Correct. When you talk about adhesion, that's the water's ability to adhere or to combine with other opposing molecules to come together. Cohesion is like when they cooperate and water sticks together. So here I have a bowl, and I'm going to add some regular distilled water. Now, when we talk about cohesion, that means that you have water molecules that stick together. One of the reasons that water stays together in the bowl. If ever you have 2 liquid things or 2 wet items come together, you can see where the water molecules try to absorb each other and stick together. Remember, that's cohesion. We talk about adhesion. That's like when you take a paper towel that's completely dry, stick it in water, and through capillary action, the water rises up the napkin. Yes, that is called adhesion, when opposing forces come together. So remember, adhesion versus cohesion. Something else we're going to talk about today is going to be surface tension. So just along the lines with adhesion and cohesion, I'm going to show you what it means for water to have surface tension. I'm going to take some regular old plain black pepper, empty it into my bowl of water. Okay, now one thing that you know, water and pepper does not like water at all. So if I take my finger and put it in, nothing happens. The pepper just sticks to my finger. However, if I was to take my finger and put some soap, liquid or non-liquid, dry soap works too, and then drop it, oh my goodness, what happens is that the pepper spreads away from the water because the water wants to retain its surface tension through the properties of what? Cohesion. Remember, water cooperates with one another. So you can take soap and water and the pepper then sink to the bottom or separate because of the surface tension. So remember, boys and girls, surface tension, adhesion, cohesion. 3 major properties of water that help us be who we are, why we are, and what we are. So signing off, that's your biology lesson for the day.